Hello students, today we are going to study introduction of convolution neural network and image recognition. So in this we are going to study how the neural network is going to work. It is an artificial neural network and image recognition. So in this video we are going to learn how the computers do to recognize images using the convolution neural network. So let us start with simple word problem. In this simple word problem, a person uh, having a simple word and with a simple computer, one computer, and it has a screen of resolution of 2 pixels by 2 pixel, and it has a keyboard with 2 keystrokes, and the reason is 2 keystroke is because in the simple word our alphabet has only 2 letters, a backward slash and forward slash. So in this simple word problem, the conversation is very simple. That is, a person is going to use a backward slash and the forward slash. With the using a simple game of using backward slash and forward slash, it is give a very simple conversation. It is like just call what is a backward slash and forward slash to gives the output. So let us see what happen when we use the keyboard in the word. So here we have a keyboard of computer. If we press a right key, then which is the backward slash, and this is what happened in the screen. It kind of draw the backward slash. So with these pixels and the second one, that is, if we are going to press left key, that is the forward slash. So it is going to give the pixel of the forward slash, but we want to add some sophisticated word. So for that we have to use to create an image recognition software. So using this image recognition software, we want that if we tell the computer that to see the computer this image of a backward slash, then computers should say that yes, it is the backward slash. Similarly, if we feed the image of forward slash to the computer, then computer should say yes, this is the forward slash. So we were going to teach the computer to tell these two apart. Now let us think of how the computers think, because the computers doesn't see this image. Okay, we see this image, and on right side we have to see that 2 by 2 pixel, and the computer see that pixel as a number. So let us say that the red pixel is 1 and gray pixel, it indicates the -1. So using this pixel, when it is going to stored in computer, it is have a basically the computer use this word with the top image, which is for the backward slash. Okay, the computer reads this line in the form of lines, that is 1, -1, -1 and 1. Similarly, for the forward slash, computer is read, that is the -1, 1, 1 and -1. this is for the backward slash. So using this image that computer read, according to that it is going to stored in that as an image. So let us try to think the way of computer thinks. So we have to do some mathematical operations, which is going to give some things or two things apart, and it gives a certain value for one image and certain value for this other image. So related to this, what operation could we use? So what is this? But let's think about for a minute, and what is the simplest operation we can do in these numbers. So related to this, it is very a simple one to have just do the addition of these numbers. Okay, 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 and plus 1, the addition gives the value 0. So we get a 0 value. Similarly, we have to do for the second or second image, that is minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus minus 1. It gives you the 0 value. So it represents that both the values are same. So it is not good enough to really separate out these values. So we'll go for the multiplication. So multiplication using these numbers, 1 minus multiply with minus 1 and 1, we will get the output 1. Similarly for the bottom image, we are getting the same value. So what do you think? It is not a pretty good to give the value. So let us potentially, if we feel that, we pause this video and give some thought what mathematical operation we will separate out these values, these two images or these two strings of the numbers. So related to this, we can use, or we may thought that the first one plus last one, or two sum of these two middle one, and these are the pretty good that we can do these best values. So we can impress this. First one is plus, second element with the minus value, third element with minus value, and fourth is plus. So it turns out what we want to impress with these values: plus 1, minus of minus 1, again minus of minus 1, and plus 1. So it gives the plus of 1, it gives the plus 1 value, minus of minus 1, it gives the plus 1, minus of minus, it gives plus 1, and plus of 1, it gives plus 1 value. So it gives the addition is 4. Similarly for the bottom image, we are going to plus of minus 1 is minus 1, plus of 1 is 1, minus 1, minus of 1 is minus 1, plus of minus 1 is again minus 1. So we get a minus 4. So this can be finally tell this is a part of our rule, as we here what we have to construct our first image, recognize the classifiers it. To say the following, to say that we can take an image, add the numbers on the top left and subtract the numbers on the top right. So the numbers in the bottom left add, and bottom right is add, and we have to use this as a positive number. Then we have a backward slash. If you have whatever we goes, we it was a negative, and then we have a forward slash. So it is actually these classifiers, it's a pretty good because it is a pretty robust. So let us look at these values or image, what do they look like using this image. So to the top of the top image, it can look like um, poorly drawn of the backward slash, because it's look like a drawing a backward slash, and it spelled over a little bit, and then bottom one it kind of look like a forward slash. So expert, what we have to expect to run out our method, that is middle it, and did not find the drawing, it draw the computer. So it is using same as the previous method, that the computer see this in a +1 +1 -1 and +1, and the bottom that is also gives the value -1 -1 1 and -1. So giving these classifiers on the top and the bottom image, we can apply it on these values which is stored in the as an existing classifier. So we get +1 -1. So top value is a +1 -1 +1 and +1. It gives you the value which is the 2, and for the bottom value, plus of -1 is -1, minus of -1 is +1, minus of 1 is -1, and plus of 1 is -1. So total value is a -2. So it will check out the computer, it could actually tell poorly drawn a backward slash and the forward slash. So that is a pretty good, that something we want our classifier, so we want to do as an robust now. So we can use this artificial intelligence, a person which is used for the classifier robust, the question how did we do this, because a human we would use this figure it out in a pit, and what kind of eyeball the filter, and that will tell the part of the ground of another diagram of the computer. Can says that why the way of write things is going on in the computer, or we have to use how we are going to check, so that for you have a lot of things to use the computer. So it may thought all these possibilities, these are the possibilities, that if for 2 by 2 pixels is there, so the possibility of these two corners are used as a check all these values, and it turn it out that all of them work pretty badly or poorly used. So this work we have to use for the many possibilities that work really well, and that it use, but we check these 16 possibilities or 16 choice use for the 2 by 2 pixels. So let us think about, if you have a word with 2 letters and you have 2 images for your classifiers and a screen of 2 by 2, and you still have to check the 16 things. Okay, so the image, how many things you have to check if you have to have the computer, that we have to write now with the many pixels and so many colors, and we want to sell the many images, part of part the numbers of the possibility is humorous, so we can't really check them all. We have to find this with the smart way. to let me give you some idea what a computer does is the not a really but when it does but it's going to use idea to start the random one, so one can start this adding this number. So we saw this, we didn't use well because we couldn't tell the diagonal apart, so work as, but let's make a small change to this one. Let us see and try to change each one of the plot into the minus separately, and how they do so. One of the top, let us says that worst, then next one does the better one, next one is gives the worst, and last is the one the better one. So let us pick one of the better one, and again we have to make a small changes in that. Minus 1 it gives the worst value, second is the one gives the better, third is the better one. So let us pick the better one and let's stop when we have happy about it. So that is the what we didn't use this little bit, but the idea what happened now it is it in a really we have to use this better one. So this is the power of numbers, put plus, and we have to use the many numbers, so we can use this diagonal values with values of 0.5, 1.5, 0.7, 1 and so on. So it is continuous value, so we can use these values. Now we have even more possibilities, so we have infinitely many, and computer can really check infinitely many possibilities. So we can say the way of many choices are there. So doing this possibility we can use this continuous version of what did before, it called as the gradient descent. So these are the 4 random numbers with this gradient descent. So we have see the classifiers does so to make a lot of fair and weight classifiers. So if we swap this plot, use and add the numbers, now if we see these values and multiply with the numbers and try to point out the 5 and add with these values, number by 1 point to add the another, and so on and so forth, we have to use to find out that classifier, which makes a lot of errors, and we want to go this direction using and to find out to make a few errors. So how we are going to convert that using the lot of error to the few errors? We take our numbers and we have to change slightly, and we try to see in what direction can we make a changes so that something is giving a very less error, and then we do it again and again, and we kind of follow this path until we go to the many times and we get the output of the few errors. So then we can try to find out what are the few errors. So we can select that as a new values or few error, and it takes a derivative of these values. So we can take that take an error function, that tab can be measure that error functions, and many errors are we make the continuous way. Okay, and then we use the gradient that we will point with the direction that we grow most so many negative and the numbers and it gives the few errors, and it decreases the most of the values using the Stephen's directions of the gradient until we get the point where it makes a few errors, and that is like building block of new Oran, a slightly more complex word. So in this complex word problem we can continue this in the next lecture. Thank you.